So today we're going to be doing paper towel gardening, and my name's Kelly.
And I'm Lindsay.
And so I'm going to start off by asking you, how do you think we can use paper towels as a tool to plant our seeds? Now we want to make sure that all of our seeds and our plants have enough room to grow. And today we're going to be giving you an example. We're going to be planting carrots. So on your paper towel, once your teacher gives it to you, we're going to have you lay it down and write your name on it. And you're going to have a partner. So Lindsay's my partner today. And I'm going to write my name and Lindsay's name. And then I'm going to write that I am going to grow carrots today. And then it'll look like this. And so you'll have your paper towel. And we want you to next look at your planting chart. And you're going to find the plant that you're going to grow. And so I'm going to go ahead and look under the crop column, and I found carrots. And then I need to look under the number of seeds or plants per paper towel. And for carrots, it says 16. So today I'm going to plant 16 seeds on my little paper towel. Now, we want to make sure that we have enough space on our paper towel to do so. So we're going to use this as a template to show you how many carrots we can plant on here. And Lindsay's going to show you how to do that.
Okay guys, so grab your paper towel. We're going to make sure that we evenly space out our 16 seeds. So, how do you think that we're going to be able to divide our paper towel to make sure that all of our seeds have the same amount of space to grow? Well, we're going to fold it in half 4 times. So, get your paper towel. I have my name and Kelly's name, and that we're growing carrots. And I put some lines on here so you could help you figure out where we're going to fold it. So first we're going to fold it 1 time, and then we're going to fold it another. So that's 2, and then 1 more time. That's 3, and then 1 more, 4. So we make sure we got our creases, everything's good, and then we're going to open it back up. Now it's nice and folded. So now we see we have 16 squares to put a seed in each of the squares. So then we're going to lay our towel down, and we're going to get our glue and put a dot of glue in the middle of each square. So I'm going to do that really quick. All right. And then with the seeds that your teacher gave you, this is just practice, so I'm using these cool little pink pom-poms so you can see exactly where it's supposed to go, but you'll be using seeds. So I'm going to take it and put it right on that dot of glue, just right on top. So you'll do that for the whole square, and then you're going to set your towel out to dry. I'm just going to do the first row. You'll set your towel out to dry. And then after the sheet is dry, we're going to take it to the garden, cover it with as much soil as it needs. And if you look on your garden planting chart, and if we go back to carrots, we see that carrots need a 1/4 inch of soil on top. So we'll put the soil on, and then we're going to water them. And eventually the glue will dissolve, and the paper towel will compost into the soil, and the seeds will grow into the perfect plant with the perfect amount of space.
Hi, my name's Emma, and I'm going to show you some other examples of different plants that you can plant using this paper towel method. So Lindsay and Kelly showed you carrots, which take up 1/16 of the paper towel, but there's some other plants that require more room. So for example, here's 16 squares as if it were your paper towel. I'm going to write my name at the bottom. And this time I'm going to be planting lettuce. So if you take a look at this garden planting chart, we're going to go down to lettuce, and we can see that you can fit 4 seeds of lettuce onto a paper towel. So we can see, based on this, there's 16 boxes, and 1/4 of that would be 4 boxes. So you can see this whole area is required for 1 seed of lettuce. So we're going to put that seed right in the middle. And then you're going to put another here, and another here. And you can see that this paper towel would have 4 seeds of lettuce, and each seed takes up 1/4 of the paper towel. Another example would be sugar snap peas. So I'm going to write my name Emma again. Sugar snap peas. And again, I'm going to take a look at this garden planting chart, go down to sugar snap peas, and they can fit 8 seeds onto this paper towel. So a way to separate this into 8ths would be here. 2 boxes would be 1/8 of the box of the paper towel. So a seed can go right here, a seed can go right here, all the way down until there are 8 seeds on the paper towel for sugar snap peas. So each seed takes up 1/8 of the paper towel. And finally, we can do radishes. So I'm going to write my name again, and a radish. And on the garden planting chart, you can see that 16 radishes fit onto 1 paper towel. So this is a lot like the carrots. 1/16 would be this area. So you're going to fill your paper towel with 16 radishes, and each radish seed takes up 1/16 of the paper towel. So these are all examples of different vegetables that take up a different amount of space on these using this paper towel method.
So I'm Hannah, and I have some key points that we're just going to wrap up with about the paper towel planting. So now that you have all your seeds glued down and they've dried, if it's not your planting date yet, then you're going to store it in a cool, dark area, just 1 layer so they don't get all stuck together and your seeds don't fall off. And we just want to remember that depending on what plant you have, you're going to plant it at a different time during the gardening season. And so your teacher is going to help instruct you with that. And when it's time for your plant to be planted, you'll take it to the correct section of the garden. So it's either going to be carrots or lettuce. You'll go to the right section for your correct plant, and they'll show you how to plant it at the correct depth. And that's how that will all go. And you're going to be great gardeners, and you're going to help make a successful garden by planting everything evenly spaced, and it'll be great for your school.
Hey guys, we're in the garden now, so make sure you get your paper towels. Remember, this one is just a practice, and we got our carrots, our pom-poms ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our paper towels, we're gonna get our soil ready, we're gonna put it down. I'm gonna go to my gardening planning chart. I need to see how deep do I need to make sure the soil is so that my perfectly placed carrot seeds can grow. And it looks like I need to do it 1/4 of an inch thick. So I'm gonna get my trusty ruler out, and I'm going to look, there's my 1 inch. So then I'm gonna go down to 1/4. And my good friend Hannah here is gonna help me. We're gonna spray our seeds so they got some water to start helping them grow. And then we're gonna cover it with the soil and get some more. Lovely. This is so fun. All right. Oh, one's peeking out. Oh. Okay. So that looks good. They're nice and covered. They're ready to go. And then I'm going to look at this one more time so I can see when we'll start to see stuff come out of the ground. And it looks like, based off this chart, you should be seeing some plants coming out of the ground in 12 to 18 days. And another column tells us when we're gonna harvest. And it looks like for carrots, it'll be 70 to 80 days. So that's so exciting.
Yeah.
Thanks
Really
for
great
joining.
gardeners.
Hope you guys get some really good